What's going on, YouTube? Over here, happy Thanksgiving. But forget me some of this. Enjoying my holidays. Well, anyways, I have an 06 Ford F350 Power Stroke that's giving me that TBC fault. Well, I got this information from Jeremy Hull. He's another YouTuber, so I got to give him credit. You pop these two screws out, the other two right here, and that comes out. Here's the little I don't know if you can see it. Come on, focus, you fuck. Little Torx ahead right there. This pops out, and yes, yeah, the truck's a little dusty, but you get I don't know if you can see that, but right there, see how that solder's broken? So we're going to try to resolder that and go test it out on the truck.